What kind of rocket ship do you have, Mac?
Well, this is a Soya, a kind of Western space shuttle.
And what does it do?
Well, it goes up into space and looks into space.
Wow. And what kind of noise does it make when it blasts off?
Well, I'll show you.
Wow. How does it get back down to Earth?
Well, it lands like an airplane.
Really? Is it a space shuttle?
Yeah.
But a Russian one?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
But it takes off not like an airplane. It takes off with pointing up.
Wow.
But airplanes take off from pointing straight.
Really? That's amazing.
So space shuttles point up to go to space. Because space is up.
Yeah, it is.
And there's not gravity as Earth. Earth has a lot of gravity.
Really?
And Grandma,
Yeah?
let me tell you something.
Okay, what are you going to tell me? Don't get too close because I can't see you.
Okay. Now there's little tiny bugs. They're the tiniest bugs in the world.
Really?
They can be all over you.
Really?
Really.
Where
And
does...
all over everyone. Like me, you, Grandpa, Dad, Mom, Sam.
Whoa! Little bugs, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, how do we get rid of them?
Well, we can bust them, take a bath, or scrub.
Really?
And also, skin comes off.
Really?
They're on my eye and on my teeth.
How did you learn all this?
Mama told me.
Wow, she's a smart mama.
Yeah.